Xiaomi has officially announced the 17T and 17T Pro, the latest entries in its upper mid-range T series for the global market. It is available in violet, opal white, blue, and black. The device is expected to be priced at around 55,000 Indian rupees, featuring significant performance and battery upgrades. The Xiaomi 17T could run on the Dimensity 8500, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9500 chip. It will feature a triple rear camera setup led by an OmniVision OV50E sensor. It will be joined by an OmniVision OV13B sensor and a Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, handling ultra-wide and telephoto duties. There's also mention of a Samsung ISOCELL S5K KDS sensor for selfies. The 17T might feature a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 17T will pack a 6,500 mAh battery. The charging speed remains unchanged at 67W. Xiaomi 17T starts at €749 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.